Hey guys, how you guys doing? Welcome back to my channel. As you all know, it's your girl Tynafey. So today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys on how I made this hair. Like, I'm totally loving this curly hair. I made it with my sewing machine and I'm loving it. Not really my sewing machine, but I had to reduce it with my sewing machine. So guys, if you like this hair, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below on my channel. And if you want to see a new video of me, don't forget to hit that notification button on my channel. It's just a bell on this channel. Just click on it and I'll be catching you guys on my next YouTube video. And please don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video to your friends, your family, to anybody you want to share it to. I'll be catching you guys on my next YouTube video. Bye and stay blessed.